Over here trying to see if we can get into Walmart. Here we go again. Another fucking plow. What the fuck are you doing? Go do something. All of this damn snow everywhere. These motherfuckers don't want to plow nothing. Don't make no goddamn sense. You can't get over there, dude. You're not gonna be able to get over there, kid.
Oh,
It's all snow over there, B. Alright, I said we go get Bertha. Do some off-roading for a little bit, just because I know she can deal with it. Cause she's old. What? Oh yeah. It wasn't me. Ain't saying shit. Oh, shit.
This is the co-op, man. I get through anything.
They open?
Yeah.
They are open. Walmart is fucking open. In this blizzard and there's mad cars in the parking lot.
Park right, let's fucking go.
Who we going into Walmart for? What do you need?
Milk.
Milk? How about we get regular milk, you sick fuck?
You gotta buy your own, dude.
Alright.
Get some food too.
Next part.
We need food.
We're gonna go into Walmart
We need
on a
food.
blizzard day. Come on, let's go. Lock doors.
Lock.
No more locked doors. This is crazy. These people are actually freaking working. I don't know. I wonder if I have to work tonight. Yo, I gotta close Toys R Us.
Dude,
They're probably gonna be on
the parking lot.
I know.
The truck probably wouldn't come anyway. You know?
Walmart's got all the wet floor signs. I don't know why they open, but Walmart is open. So what?
So Walmart never closes.
Never does.
They can't lose out on money, right?
It's a monopoly, dude. They gotta do what they gotta do.
That's right. Food section.
Word. Part 2. We're gonna get Bertha. Then we're gonna record then. Peace.